Hi guys, it's LeJanaro back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. So I'm headed out for a full day of errands, and I'm going to take you guys along with me and then come back and see if we can start on the bag that I need to start on. So we'll see how it goes. I gotta go to a different place, but first things first, I gotta get a haircut. I gotta get this taken care of. So I'm gonna do that first, and then I will be on my way. Excuse my dirty mirror and my mess, but I'm wearing my color block jogger set today. I can't remember the pattern, but I think it's Simplicity, but I will put it in the description box below. But this is my first time wearing it since I made it, so love it. And I did a couple videos on the channel, but I don't think they're tutorials, but yeah, I'm loving it. This is my first time wearing it today. All right, first task of the done day. First task of the day done. I got my hair cut. I'm loving it. Lady says I need to go blonde. What y'all think? I'm not gonna do it. I don't have time to color my hair. I probably have time. I'm just not gonna do it. Anyway, got my hair cut, so let's head to Joanne. Good morning. No. I can. It's been a minute since I've been to Joanne. Y'all know I always have to the sticker section. Okay.
Welcome. I didn't.
All right, let's see what we got going on. Okay, I think I was getting my outfits messed up. This is what I'm wearing today. The McCall's 8351. So this is what I'm wearing today with the hood and then the pants. So I don't know why I thought it was a Simplicity pattern, but it's McCall's. Y'all, this is the cutest little eyeglass case. I'm seeing a pattern of excellence. Hobby Lobby has so much on clearance. This is the cutest stuff. I think this stuff been on clearance for a while. But they got some of the cutest stuff on clearance. Here's some more clearance stuff. Here's some more clearance stuff. Little tin cans. Super cute. All right, so as you can see, I have started working on this Simplicity 1338. I'm doing view B out of Ankara fabric. I am, see if I can, oh, I guess I can just fold this over. I got everything cut, everything interfaced. All I have to do is sew. That's the fabric that I'm using, Ankara fabric. And then I'm going to use some black webbing. So yeah, that's what I'll be working on for the rest of the day. Yeah, that's it. Sorry I didn't get a chance to take pictures in the bomber jacket yet. I'll get that to y'all eventually. I did put on the armbands, so the bomber jacket is finished. I just need to press it and take photos, or at least on one of my videos come on and show you what it looks like on. But it's beautiful, y'all. It's absolutely beautiful. But I'm going to start sewing on this bag.